Now that the dust has settled on the Galaxy S25 series, it's time to shift gears and talk about Samsung's next big thing, its foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already making waves in the rumor mill, but if you were hoping for a major battery upgrade, well, don't hold your breath. Samsung's foldable phones have never been battery champs, but thanks to solid optimizations, they hold their own against rivals with bigger cells. Still, it's a bit baffling that Samsung hasn't just slapped a larger battery in there to crush the competition. Wouldn't that be the easiest win? As we already know that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 was solid but lacked the wow factor of its rivals. Now, its successor, the Z Fold 7, seems to be getting some design tweaks, but the real surprise? Improved battery life without a bigger battery. But the question is, how's that possible? According to leaker PandaFlash Pro, a fresh face in the leak scene, both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7 will feature highly efficient displays that sit power more efficiently, plus a new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset that boosts battery life by about 55 minutes. Not bad, right? Meanwhile, more established leaker Setsuna Digital, posting on Weibo, claims the Z Fold 7 will still pack the same 4400 mAh battery as its predecessor. That means Samsung is banking on smarter hardware and software to deliver those battery gains instead of just throwing in a bigger battery. The big question, is this enough? It's a bit disappointing to see Samsung stick with the same old battery tech when some competitors are stuffing their foldables with massive power cells. We all know early foldables had rough battery life, and adding more juice could be a game changer. At this point, Samsung has mastered the art of making foldable phones, so why not go all in on battery life too? Here's hoping the other upgrades make this device worth the hype. So, what do you think? Should Samsung have done more, or is this a smart move? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.